Okay, and go. Oh, you caught. You didn't do anything.
That actually stuck. Am I supposed to dodge? Hi!
Guys, welcome to Pocket Watch Studios. I'm Liz.
I'm Jetta.
And we're here to play Doody Hat.
Or we're just Olympic swimmers.
Right. We're gonna play with Doody.
Yeah.
So the object of this game is, you see our little Doody hats? They've got point numbers on it. And so we're gonna sit on either end of the table and we're gonna throw the Doody at the other person's head. It's gonna stick, and whoever gets the most points of where it sticks wins, and the loser gets this Doody thrown on them.
Which looks are a lot less pleasurable. Not that this looks desirable either, but this looks
These
especially
could be
bad.
like cute little snakes.
Kind of adorable. It's like, oh, I'm a little Doody.
I'm just a little Doody. Little Doody.
Oh.
You wanna play?
Yeah, I guess.
So Jetta's catching first, and are you ready for the Doody?
I guess I'm as ready as I'll ever be.
Okay, and go. Oh, you caught. You didn't do anything.
That actually stuck. Am I supposed to dodge? That was my forehead.
I didn't hit your head. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, go. Oh, I overthrew. This game's gonna go on for a long time. What? I don't know. You can go up too.
All right, best out of 5. I got 50 points for your horrible throwing.
They hit you.
Horrible.
You just didn't catch them.
It is my job to do this well. In fact,
your
it is my duty.
Duty.
Here we go. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Oh, I tricked you! Wow. Okay, so you can do this well. 50. Oh, sorry.
Where'd that go?
100.
Oh, here's the Duty. Hold on.
Classy, Liz. Real classy.
Oh boy.
Woo! That ricocheted, and I do one more.
Yeah.
Oh.
Where did it go?
You look like a baby making a duty just then. You're like.
All right. So what's my score?
Your score is 150.
150. So that it's 3 rounds. So my first round 150. Your first round 50.
50. Ooh. Did it get on there?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know. We'll count
Okay. It's fine. I don't need the left one. I have a right one. Is it on there?
No, but your
Dang
face
it.
was really.
I tried to move it. Okay, this is the last one.
Okay. Oh, nice!
Is it on there?
Yeah. So you are 150. You're
I'm 150. That's an expensive duty.
The Duty is right underneath you, between your legs.
Of course, that's where it comes from.
Poop jokes.
Poop jokes. All right. All right. Oh, it landed. It looks so cute. It looks adorable. Aw, I like it. Wow, this is going really well for you. All right, that's it.
What do I got?
You got 200, y'all.
Okay,
Two
now I
duties.
throw the Duty.
I'm running out of poop jokes. I mean, I would be a lot better at this game when I was like 10. When I was 10, my poop jokes were like highbrow stuff. Let's do this. Let's duty this.
Let's Duty this.
Yay! Oh, dude, that's nice. Yeah!
What?
It feels nice.
Ooh! You caught them all. All right, so you got 50, 150. So you got 200.
Was that 5 throws?
So you're at 200 right now. So 250.
Hey!
Nice.
250 coming back.
That was a really good one.
So I'm at 450 currently, and you are at 300. Oh! Ooh.
Oh.
Oh! So that brings you up 100. So are we tied?
450. Are we tied?
450.
Tiebreaker. So we're both tied at 450. Let's do a tiebreaker where we throw it at each other at the same time.
With our eyes closed.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
It got on there! Wait, for you, not for me.
What am I at?
With all that being said, you're at 100, so you beat me.
So, I guess I have to throw the Duty at you then.
You duty what you have to do.
It's my duty. Ready?
Is it happening? She just discused a Doody. All right. Well, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for joining us. If you think this video deserves a thumbs up, if you think it was number 1 and not number 2, I'm really running out of jokes here.
There's only so many.
There's only so many. Man, our careers are going down the toilet.
Hey!
Thank you so much for watching. My name's Jetta.
I'm Liz.
And we will see you very soon.
Bye!
Bye!